Alright guys, today we're here having a look at the Tesvor X500Pro, and what we're going to do is look at basically how to set the timer. Alright, let's get started. Okay, alright guys, so here we've got the remote control. Now basically what you're going to do obviously is make sure that the clock is set properly. So if you want to change the clock, there's this button here. Press that button and then you can change the clock accordingly. Once you've set the right time, press it and she's good. Now with the timer, so this is the timer button here. So you press the timer, okay? Now, same as before, set it to whatever time you want. Okay, so I want it to get up every morning at 10:30 and start cleaning. Press the timer button, okay? Now, if you want to check that you've set the timer, okay? Have a look at it and you'll see that it will remember the time that you had set previously. And again, to lock it in, and you can see in the bottom left-hand corner here, you've got the timer button set. Now, if you actually want to cancel that timer, hold this for 1, 2, 3 seconds, and you'll see that disappears. Now that cancels the timer and it won't be coming on. All right, that's simple. Okay guys, I hope you found that informative and useful. Again, it's very simple and straightforward to use. I love the fact that when I get up in the morning, I head off to work and it's cleaning the house whilst I'm not here, which is fantastic. 9 times out of 10 it does its clean, makes its way back to the docking station. Occasionally it might get stuck on something, but eventually you work out what things it gets stuck on and you either move them or adjust them so it doesn't have any issues. Alright guys, I hope you found that useful. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the section below. Otherwise, if you know anyone that's interested in purchasing one, maybe share this video with them. Okay, I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks, bye.